Hello everybody, my name is Kononiuk and welcome to my experience. I have chosen mathematical phenomenon that is found in nature, and for the basis of my planned experience, a specific focus on the Fibonacci number sequence. Because the Fibonacci number sequence is so easily observable in nature, this lends itself to a garden exploration experience. You could take a group of children to the park, to the schoolyard, to a veggie patch if you have one. Send children in small groups to collect natural objects to represent a number of Fibonacci. For example, a leaf could become a 1. 2 gum nuts for 2. And I found these which grow in triplicate and have a little triangle inside. So it's exciting just to explore and collect the numbers. Coming together in the class with a collection of natural elements, we can then proceed to construct the sequence itself. And children could be engaged in adding the 2 numbers to create the next one in the sequence. And the sequence goes like this: 1 plus 1 equals 2, 1 plus 2 equals 3, 2 plus 3 equals 5, and so on. And children could add or count, getting the next number. Now this experience is designed for children in the concrete operational stage, where they're able to use logic and mathematical rules but still need physical support to support their thinking, and these become your physical objects. These children are about 7 to 8 years old, in junior primary of about grade 1 or grade 2. Now, these natural collections can also be used for closer observations. And these closer inspections reveal that there are spirals in pine cones, spirals in garden snails. These also follow the Fibonacci number series. The best example that I could find was a pineapple. And putting dots or paint around the pineapple scales reveals the spiral pattern. Numbers could also be put around following the spiral to show that they also follow the Fibonacci number series. This one goes up to 21. Now, starting at the same point on the pineapple and going on in the opposite direction reveals that that comes up to 13. So 13 and 21 being 2 consecutive Fibonacci numbers. You can then explain to the children that plants and animals grow in the most efficient ways. And they create the spiral using string and tiles and a little bit of maths. So 1 by 1 square to represent number 1 in the Fibonacci sequence, 1 by 1 square to represent 1, 2 by 2 square represents the 2. And you can show the children how to put a string down to dissect these squares, creating the spiral pattern. Now, the only limiting factor is the amount of space available, and eventually you will run out of tiles, but the sequence can continue to be built. So you could use rope and a measuring tape, and you will require the children to measure the length of the tile and multiply by the number of tiles that are needed to create the next square in the sequence. Now, this experience provides a nice balance of fun and exploration the wonders of nature while learning mathematical concepts. So thank you for listening. I hope you've enjoyed my experience, and goodbye.